I'm Robert Estrin at livingpianos.com, here in our showroom with a really unusual piano, at least unusual for me, to find a 1960s G5 Yamaha in such amazing condition. The early 60s, Yamaha was just beginning to be a force in this country, and to find a piano like this in this condition with good action life left, nice finish, strings in good shape. I'm looking inside, it doesn't look like a piano anywhere close to the age. You gotta thank the California weather for the fact that the strings are vibrant in sound and everything plays so wonderfully. Our technicians, of course, brought it to a high level with regulation and all the rest of it, but you'd expect that. What does this piano sound like? Well, I'm gonna start off with a very simple piece I've never played before in any videos, and it's a piece I've taught on many occasions, a minuet in G minor by Bach. Now, Bach wrote a lot of this music for Anna Magdalena, the book of student pieces, essentially, for his children. And it's just a wonderful piece of music, this G minor minuet. I hope you enjoy it. Something on the simpler side to hear what this piano sounds like. If you're a piano student and this is a piano you'd like to own, this is what you might expect. So the piano has a nice even action and on the lighter side. Sometimes bigger pianos, like a 6.5-foot piano like this Yamaha, can be hard to play. This is very inviting, and yet there isn't excessive play in the action because nothing is very worn, remarkably, for a piano of its age. So what happens now if we play something a little bit more sophisticated, some late or mid to late Beethoven, the Opus 31 No. 3 Sonata? I'm going to play just the exposition of Beethoven Sonata, Opus 31 No. 3 for you. So that's a little bit of Beethoven for you. The action, as I said, is very responsive. If you're a high-level player, this piano will not disappoint you. You can do all your ornamentation and repeated notes. Everything is very facile. So let's end now with some power just to hear how it opens up. Just a little brief excerpt of the intersection of the Military Polonaise of Chopin. So it's got it all. A good-sized Yamaha Grand, 6.5 feet long, beautiful high-gloss finish, lots of good life in the action. Really a very well-preserved Yamaha piano, one of the nicest pianos from this vintage we have ever had. I hope you like it and love to hear from all of you. Once again, I'm Robert Estrin here at livingpianos.com, your online piano store.